Hey, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel, SourPatchKeed, and today we're doing another small business shout out. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Alright guys, so welcome to episode 2 of Small Business Support. I am beyond happy to be supporting this business because I have known this man literally for over 10 years. We went to high school together, and now that I found out he started his own business, your girl had to step in. Again, this is a series on my channel I'm doing to be a first step for these small businesses who don't have the means yet to put themselves out there to be able to have somebody to be their voice. So again, this is not sponsored, but your girl is here for all the support. If you are looking to be a part of this series on my channel, please be sure to look down below and check for my business email and reach out to me. Let me know your situation and we could work something out. Your girl got a heart. We could work something out, okay? So yeah, if that sounds like your business, I will definitely be here for you. Now, let's get into the deets, okay? He is actually doing these custom trays, okay? So a little bit of information about his business, okay? I'm gonna be looking at my notes because I don't want to mess anything up, okay? All right, so these trays are 11 by 5 by 7.5. They are custom rolling trays with magnetic smell-proof lid. Okay, so I'm already happy because y'all, all right, let's get this plastic off. All right, so I guess this is the lid. Oh, it's heavy, like heavy. Oh, it's also moldable like that. Oh, this is so cool. This is the most relaxing thing I've done all day, but this is what mine is specifically looking like. Honestly, you guys, I love The Simpsons, so this is already a big thing for me. So, and here's the tray itself. Yo, I'm actually in love with this. Look at the bottom. And it's funny because, like, looking at this, unless you know what these are, you know what I'm saying? Unless you know, no one else would really know what this is about. So let me see. Hold on, I'm trying to get the magnetic effect on camera because I've never had a magnetic one before. So, oh, that's dope. That is nice. Okay, so holding it up, the top is not moving. That is pretty dope. Having it upside down, it's still not moving. So this is really high quality, and to take it off, it seems like it's super easy to. You just kind of slide that bad boy right off, and it's just, that's pretty dope. So I really actually love this, and I intend to use it to its full extent, of course. But yeah, so these usually go for, okay, so each tray usually goes for $30. But guess what, you guys? If you are watching this and you are trying to get yourself some of these, there are actually 5 different types that he has right now. They usually go for $30. And if you want one, just go and follow him on Instagram and send him a message there. Let him know that Anna or SourPatchKeed sent you, and he will give you $5 off. So you will get this beautiful, tray with the magnetic top, and you will get it for $5 less. Save you $5. That's a whole McDonald's trip, okay? Like, that's a whole, that's a whole meal right there. Save you the $5. Just go over there and show some support, okay? And another thing that I forgot to mention in the beginning, this is a Black-owned business. I know that it is no longer trending to support Black businesses, but I'm still doing it. So fight me. No, I'm just kidding. Don't come for me. But yeah, so please go show him some support, buy some stuff, help a Black business grow off the ground, okay? So yeah, if you enjoyed what you saw today, you like the tray, if you're gonna check it out, all that fun stuff, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Let me know, okay? Maybe you'll even do a giveaway. What y'all think? Should I do a giveaway? Y'all already know when it's coming soon anyway, so but yeah, so again, please be sure to comment down below if you intend on trying out, you know, this company, if you know, have one that you already like, if you're trying to get some help getting out there, also all that fun jazz. But also do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you are trying to, you know, help me support other small businesses, so you could be notified whenever I post those other types of videos. Now, usually on my channel, I post beauty content, unboxings, and lifestyle stuff. So this is a new series that still involves unboxing, but it's a little bit different. All right, so I know you guys are probably gonna keep seeing this makeup back to back to back. And it's gonna click that I'm really sitting here binge filming because I have no life. But no, not really. I am binge filming because it is Vlogmas, and if you guys didn't see my last video, I was talking about how I was sick and I was admitted to the hospital. So there were a lot of videos that I filmed right before being admitted that needed to be put out. This is one of them, because as you can see, the hair changed. So yeah, if you know somebody this holiday season that, you know, could definitely use one of these trays, you know what type of tray I'm talking about, okay? If you know somebody, or if you yourself need one, please be sure to go support my dude, okay? Like, I will leave everything down below, and you guys can just go ahead and hit him up, and he will be able to get you your stuff, okay? So yeah, I'm really hoping this holiday season you're being conscious and really helping out small businesses. I know I certainly am. 90% of my holiday shoppings was done through small businesses, and it feels so good to be able to help out this community instead of, you know, spending the big coins on somebody who's already successful. Not to say that that's wrong, but I really just want to see my brothers, sisters rise up too. So please be sure to go check my dude out. Check out his Instagram and order yourself one, order your family one, order your best friend one, order me one. You feel me? But yeah, see y'all in the next one. Bye.